Natin patatagalin. I'm excited. Healthy meal preparation with Coach Aika Villa Ignacio. Take it away po sis when you're ready.
Hi, good morning everyone. So, ano ba, happy post-Valentine's po sa inyo kung sino man ang nagse-celebrate. Ayan. So, before anything else po, papakilala lang po muna ako. Ayan. So, ako po si Aika Villa Ignacio from Santa Rosa, Laguna. And share ko lang po sa inyo yung journey ko with Herbalife. So, before Herbalife po, I used to work for a hotel overseas. So, sa trabaho ko po, libre ang pagkain namin every single day from breakfast hanggang midnight snack because I was working long hours. So, because of that, I gained a lot of weight. Had very low energy, suki sa clinic kasi laging may nararamdaman. Ayan. So, when I decided to take part of the healthy, active lifestyle and with nutrition of Herbalife, I was able to lose a lot of excess weight, unwanted bad energy, and now I am much more confident with myself, and because of this resultant, I was able to change my career into being a wellness coach. So I've been doing it for 10 years now, and I'm just so excited to be part of this community. Every year, maraming learnings. Every year, you get to appreciate more what it's like to live a healthier and active life. Ayan. So, I'm here today to share with you recipes that can make you kumbaga, mas ma-appreciate nyo pa the products of Herbalife Nutrition. So, since yesterday po was Valentine's Day, let's do a post-Valentine's special healthy breakfast. So, kompleto yan with your aloe tea and shake. So, kanina na-explain na sa inyo yung best benefits nung ating products. So, today, we have two recipes to enjoy. First po, ayan, tingnan natin. So, our first recipe po is our sparkling strawberry lemon tea. Ayan. So, please take a screenshot of that recipe and then, sige po, next slide. Okay. So, ayan. So, for our special breakfast slash dinner or dessert, shake, we have strawberry cheesecake swirl. So, excited na po ba kayo? Everything pink po kasi Valentine's naman ang ating isi-celebrate. So, this is something that we serve in the Nutrition Club. So if you are a new Nutrition Club operator na naghahanap ka pa ng recipe to share sa Nutrition Club, ayan. So perfect po ito. Best sellers po namin yan. And also, if you are interested to become a Nutrition Club operator, these are the recipes you can share with your friends and family. So let's get started po. Excited na po kayo? Ayan. So, okay. So, sige po. Pwede na natin i-close yung ating slide. Okay. So, for the first recipe po, very simple. Ito po yung ating mga stars. We have our aloe and tea. So, first, I have here, okay, about 100 ml of warm water or hot water for our tea. So, we'll add in our 1/2 teaspoon of our herbal concentrate tea. Coach, pwede ba yung apple chamomile? Kasi yun yung meron kami. Why not? Pwede naman din. Wag lang siguro yung retreat tea kasi pang morning recipe to. So, ayan. So, we have our 1/2 teaspoon of the tea. Okay. And then, stir lang natin siya. So, this will be our tea base. Okay? So, next is, we're going to add our aloe vera concentrate po. So, this one is in mandarin flavor. We have this in original and mango. So, if gusto mo ng mango, no problem. Kung gusto mo ng original, pwede din. Okay, so here, you can add 1 to 3 cupfuls. But for my recipe today, I'll just use 1. Okay? So, may slightly sweet yung ating aloe mandarin concentrate. Okay. So ito na yung tea base natin. So here I have our cup. Okay, lagyan nyo lang siya ng, fill nyo lang siya with ice. Okay, Wow, this much. Yan. And then we add in what I have here po is chopped strawberry. So ito po, dahil bihira naman po maging in season ang strawberry sa atin and mas mahal siya. This one po, binili ko siya sa SNR. Ayan, so meron naman pong mga ganito. And then chinop ko lang po siya. So i-add lang natin yung ating about 2 tablespoons of your frozen strawberries. Okay. And then I also have here our lemon slices. Very easy lang po ito and very pretty. So, just add. And add in our tea base. Again. You can make this as pretty as possible. Yeah. So to fill the gap, so since this one is a sparkling recipe, so your option is to use your sparkling water or something lemon lime flavor na sparkling water. So you just have to fill this up, yung gap. So, ito pong sparkling tea natin, this is high in antioxidants and also very good to boost your energy level. Ayan. So, very simple. Ayan. So, makikita ninyo, mag-red pa yan, naturally colored kasi 'di ba fresh yung ano natin. Kumbaga, we have real strawberries, not fresh. We have frozen strawberries, real strawberries na mag-create no effect. Ayan. So, this can be enjoyed, 'di ba? Pwede rin during your special dinner, later yung mga hindi pa nakapag-date. Ayan, mamaya meron na kayong special drink to enjoy. Ayan. Coach Laurie, saan ko to papadala?
Ay, Coach, ano po, sa bandang south po, medyo malapit lang po tayo, Paranaque.
Ayun no, kaso lusaw na yan
Ano,
pagdating.
palagyan na lang po ng konting badamihan na lang po pala ng stabilizer
Ayan.
para
So, this is
umabot.
our first recipe. Ayan. Very easy, di ba? Very fast to prepare. So, next naman is our strawberry cheesecake swirl. So, this one, forever favorite na siya. Nag-start kami to do premium shakes in the Nutrition Club. Sobrang best-seller po talaga ito. So, if you haven't tried this, kung ikaw yung simple kalog lang with water or blend with oats and banana, or maybe adding low-fat milk to your shake. This one is a special, kumbaga, treat for you, especially during the weekends, if you want your family then to enjoy the Formula One shake. So now we're going to do, what we're going to do is to have our 100 ml of soy milk. Okay.
Coach Aika, well, nagsasalin ka. Pakita ko lang ng mabilis ulit yung previous mong ginawa tsaka yung ngayon, ha?
Yes,
30
please.
seconds only. Ayan, so for everyone's reference po, ito yung nagawa na ni Coach Aika while siya ay nagsasalin. And the second one naman po is strawberry cheesecake po. So please take a screenshot. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 for your reference. Stop share na po ako, Coach Aika. Go ahead po.
Perfect. So I have here the 100 ml of soy milk. If you want to do it 200 ml, pwede din naman. Pero kasi we're going to add more liquid pa. This is our strawberry flavored yogurt. If you have plain yogurt, we can add in more frozen strawberries in the mix para mas maging ano siya, strawberry flavor. So for this one, this packet, I'll be using about half of it. If yung gagamitin mo is yung naka-cup, pwede din siya mga kalahati din nun. So, nag-increase na yung liquid ng ating mixture. Okay. So, next, for this one, it's your option to use wild berry or French vanilla. So, ano yan eh, depende kung anong meron ka sa bahay. So, this one, mas gusto ko to use the French vanilla kasi nilalagyan ko naman siya ng ng frozen strawberries. So, tsaka may strawberry yogurt din. So, I'll add in 2 scoops. Okay. And then, we're going to blend na for a bit. Lagyan na rin natin ng konti nito. Wait lang. Commercial break. Okay. So, let's blend. Okay, for a few seconds lang. And then let's add in our ice cubes. So, alright. So, for the cheesecake part, option nyo naman to add in some cream cheese to the mixture. Pero what I do, since we eat with our eyes, I always say that, ilalagay natin siya dun sa cup. So, I have here softened cream cheese, konti lang to. Kumbaga, para lang din lumagdag sa texture para mas maging creamy siya. Ayun. But if you don't want to add this one, parang ano yan eh, fake cheesecake, fake strawberry cheesecake yung ginagawa mo. Just by adding the yogurt, nandun na rin naman yung creaminess. So this one is more like, dahil ito ay special treat mo to your loved one, gusto mo mas lalo niyang, ma-appreciate na very special yung prepare mo sa kanya. Ayan. So, what I'm doing here is nilalagyan ko lang ng cream cheese on the side of the cup. No added sugar, yung plain cream cheese lang siya. Okay. Mag-look like this. Tapos, instead of, you can use strawberry puree or if meron kayo readily available na strawberry syrup, you can add in a bit, konti lang. So, this is just for decoration. Ayan. So, konti-konti lang. Ayan. So, meron lang konting strawberry syrup. And then, it's for our shake. So you see there's space on top kasi we'll be adding in our special topping. Siyempre, diba, if it's a cheesecake, merong graham crust. So we'll be adding in our crushed grahams. So medyo indulgent siya na recipe. Pero kung titingnan mo, we didn't add so much of sugars, diba? Compared pa din to your usual na binibili sa labas. Ayun. So, here you go. We have our strawberry cheesecake swirl and our sparkling strawberry lemon. Hahaba kasi ng mga pangalan. So, yan. So, these are your Valentine's specials, di ba? So, if tonight, if you still have your nutrition club tonight or this morning and you have all the ingredients naman, why not share this to your friends and family? Or why not do a love month situation in the nutrition club or sa bahay ninyo? Ayan. So, you have these lovely recipes to enjoy. So, today, we only featured your aloe tea and shake. Wala pa tayong ibang products. Minsan nga iniisip ko, paano kaya ako makakapag-showcase ng outer nutrition, no? Kasi di ba meron tayong mga bagong products with the aloe, hand and body wash, mga ganyan. So, magde-demo ba kami ng paggamit ng Herbalife Skin and the aloe products? Pero, lang, uh, it's really fun to play with these products kasi kasama mo sila every single day and para lang din magkaroon ng variation, no? So, we do these recipes. So, Coach Lori, na-try mo na ba tong mga recipe na to in the past?
Yung strawberry cheesecake actually nung dun sa unang NC namin sa home, yon sinaserve din namin siya, favorite din siya ng mga customers and even yung kids, hindi ka nagigilty na merong treat pero kasi nandun yung nourishment from our Herbalife shake. Ayan, type 1 naman tayo. Magpa-thank you tayo kay Coach Aika. And if you already have your wild berry din naman na sa bahay, ayan, you can check on the recipe again kasi yung pagpapahealthy doesn't need to be tasteless and boring, di ba po? Coach Aika,
Exactly.
any closing words?
Actually, okay naman na. If you have questions, you can message me on Facebook. But also you can message your coaches how to prepare these premium shakes that we have inside the Nutrition Club kasi it's really fun to make. Kumbaga, mas magkakaroon kayo ng reason to enjoy pa all the products of Herbalife every single day. So thank you very much, everyone.
Ayan, so thank you ulit, Coach Aika. So, screenshot nyo na yan, tapos i-crop nyo na lang para ma-zoom in nyo yung itsura ng nagawa ni Coach Aika. But more than that, we have shared the recipe po. So, God bless everyone. Perfect Saturday. Enjoy the rest of the day. Ang una nyo gawin, punta kayo ng supermarket. Try nyo nang kuhanin yung mga recipes kasi hindi pa too late daw.